Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to see types of angles. So what is the name of the today's chapter? It is types of angles. Now we have seen angles from the third standard. What basically angle is? Angle is a geometrical figure which is formed by using two rays such that two rays are originating from a single point. Let's consider that single point is P. So here ray PQ and ray PR are originating from a single point, that is P. So we will say QPR is a angle. So angle is a geometrical figure which is formed by using two arms such that both the arms are said to be as a rays of a geometry, and both the rays are starting from a single point, that point is P. Here angle QPR is said to be as a angle. We can read angle in two ways. One is angle QPR, or another way is angle P. Okay, we can simply say only angle P, or we can say angle QPR. Whenever we have to read any angle, at that time we will take the originating point at the center. Here the originating point is which one? P is the originating point for the ray PQ and ray PR. So we will keep this point P in the middle while reading the angle. So these are the basic things that we know already. Now what we will learn here today, we will learn which are the types of angles. Depending on the measure of angle, there are total 6 types of angles that we have seen. I will just revise it once. First one is a acute angle. See, first one is a acute angle. Just a second. First one is a ACUTE, acute angle. Now which angle is said to be as an acute angle? See, the angle whose measure is less than 90 degree and greater than 0 degree is said to be as an acute angle. Now suppose here I am drawing one angle. Let's consider this is my angle. I will name it as ABC. So I will say ABC is an angle which is said to be as a acute angle. Why acute angle? Because the measure of angle ABC, let's consider, I will write it here, x degree. So the measure of angle ABC is greater than 0 degree. We can say measure of angle ABC is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. So we will say it as a acute angle. Basically acute angle is an angle whose measure is less than 90 degree but greater than 0 degree, which is not a 0 degree angle but which is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree angle. Okay, this is the first type of angle, that is acute angle. Another type of angle is a right angle. Now suppose I will take here one line. See here, if I am drawing, this is my one line and this one is my another line. Okay, now I will give here it as a, I will name it as a, I will give here name as a angle X Y Z. Now which angle it is? I will say this as a 90 degree angle. Why I will say it as a 90 degree angle? Because the measure of angle XYZ is a 90 degree. Whenever we have to show the 90 degree angle, at that time we can show it by using this square. Okay. The another name of a 90 degree angle is right angle. What we will say it as a right angle. First one we have seen acute angle. See here, first we have seen acute angle. whose measure is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Second, we have seen right angle whose measure is equal to exactly 90 degree. Okay. Now third one is, the third type of angle is a obtuse angle. What is the third type of angle? That is obtuse angle. Now see here. Let's consider here obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means what? The angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Okay. Obtuse angle is angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Now how to draw the obtuse angle? How to draw it? See. Suppose I am drawing the angle like this. Just a second. Suppose I am drawing the angle like this. So I will say this as a obtuse angle. Why obtuse angle? Let's consider, I will name it as a X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z is said to be as a obtuse angle because the measure of this angle, this measure of angle X, Y, Z is greater than 90 degree. Obvious, because we know that this is exactly the 90 degree angle. This one is exactly 90 degree, but I am drawing the angle like this. It means this ray is little bit greater than this 90 degree. So the measure of obtuse angle is no doubt greater than 90 degree, but it is less than 180 degree. So measure of obtuse angle, what we are going to see? Obtuse angle. So obtuse angle is an angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. The angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is said to be as a obtuse angle. Now the another type of angle is straight angle. Now in the name of the angle we can say that straight angle means if we are drawing the straight line, then this is also a angle. How? Let's consider there is one middle point as a P. To the right of P there is a Q. To the left of P there is a R. So we will say angle RPQ is a straight angle. Why we will say it as a straight angle? Because both the arms of angle, the first arm is PR and the another arm of angle is PQ. So these PR and PQ, both the arms of angle forming a straight line. If we are joining them, then we are getting a straight line. So it is a straight angle. And always remember measure of straight angle. Straight angle measure is always equal to 180 degree. What is the measure of a straight angle? It is always equal to 180 degree. We know that measure of a right angle is always 90 degree, measure of straight angle is always 180 degree. Acute angle is less than 90, obtuse angle is greater than 90, less than 180. Okay. Now another one more type of angle is there, that is reflex angle. Now suppose I am drawing this one as a angle ABC. And suppose I am considering this angle from outside. If I am measuring this angle from outside, now definitely the measure of this angle is greater than 180 degree. Okay. So always remember reflex angle. Reflex angle is an angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree. The angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So we have seen here another type of angle, that is reflex angle. Reflex angle is an angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. So how many types of angle we have seen today? 5 types. First one is acute angle whose measure is greater than 0 degree, less than 90 degree. Another is right angle whose measure is exactly equal to 90 degree. Third one is a obtuse angle whose measure is greater than 180, greater than 90 and less than 180. and then reflex angle whose measure is greater than 180 but less than 360 degree. So these are the types of angles that we have seen today.